course, 100%. So the brother's question is about smoking shisha, about vaping, perhaps even marijuana. These are all things that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made haram. Now what we need to understand is everything that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made halal is because it has something beneficial in it. Everything that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made haram is because there's something harmful in it. So I want you to think about how clear it is about smoking. That there's been such an active campaign not to smoke, that even if you buy a packet of cigarettes, it says smoking kills, it is detrimental to your health, right? It blackens your lungs, it causes so many diseases, it's bad for your heart, it leads to so many issues. But things like marijuana and things like vaping and things like shisha, it's become like the cool trend to do. That if you look at any pop star, you'll see them doing these things. And therefore we think, you know what, maybe it's okay for us to do. My simple answer to that question is, the person that's doing that action, where do you think their afterlife lies? The vast majority of people that people call celebrities and pop stars and influencers, if they were to die in the state that they're in, what is their destination? The answer is their destination is Jahannam. Unless they get guided before that, unless they repent to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala before that, that's a different story. But if they die in the state that they're in, their destination is Jahannam. And you want to be very, very careful and think about, what do you want your destination to look like? Do you want to be from the people of paradise and the people of happiness? Or do you want to be from the people of pain and misery and the people of the hellfire? So when you do these actions, always think about, hey, what if I died vaping? What if I died doing shisha? What if I died smoking marijuana? What if I died drinking alcohol? What if I died committing zina? You know, it may be the cool thing to do, it may be the enjoyable thing to do right now, but what if you died in that state? Is that the way you want to leave this world? And I'm hoping that every sensible person will say no. No one wants to live in that state. We want to die reading Quran. We want to die praying to Allah. We want to die, performing Hajj and Umrah. That's how we want to die. So if you want to die in such a state, you have to live in that state. And if you don't want to die in that state, don't live in that state. So that would be the best piece of advice. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made so many things halal. Enjoy those things as much as you can. You want to socialize and have recreational time? Do as much of that as you want without compromising on the haram. When it comes to the haram, stay away from it. And you prioritize your akhirah over your dunya. Because your dunya is enjoyment for a little bit of time, whereas your akhirah is an infinite amount of enjoyment. And the wise person will always say, I would invest in an infinity over my investment in a short period of time. Wallah.